morning, everybody. Well, I told you when I was going to get ready to make this, I would make it. And today we're making the Classic Cheesecake Mix. And I got it at the Dollar Tree. I've had it back in the pantry, so I decided to take it out. I'm not sure what I'm going to use for toppings yet. I've got to look around and see what I have. So let's get started. It says that we need a classic cheesecake mix, and that's right here. Little bitty thing, but it's right here. And it says you need a package 8-ounce cream cheese. I have that right here. And 8 ounces of a Cool Whip, of a whipped topping of some sort. And you need a graham cracker pie crust and a fruit filling to go on top of your choice. Now, I haven't decided what I'm going to use on top for fruit filling, but it says we're doing the classic cheesecake. You need a bowl, which I have right here, and you need to put the cheesecake in the cream cheese and mix it till it's creamy. I have Maggie outside, so she doesn't like the mixer. So I'm gonna bring you down, okay? So here we go. Bring you up, and then I'm gonna bring you down. Okay, right there ought to be good. So we have, in a bowl, we have a mixer right here that she does not like. And we are going to beat the cream cheesecake mix right here. Here it is, going right in. Get it all in right there. And then it says you want to take the cream cheese and you want to put that in. So we're going to put that right in just like this. Just like this. It's got to be softened, so remember to take it out and make it at room temperature. Just like this. Now we're going into some cold weather, and Mr. R has tomorrow off, and I know I just made turnovers, but I thought I'd make this for him so we could have it with a cup of coffee. And maybe we'll go by a friend's house or something. Not sure yet. Okay, so here we go. We're gonna blend this together. Wow, it'd be good if I plugged in my mixer now, wouldn't it? Not gonna go very far if we don't do that. So thankful Maggie's not in here. You all know how she doesn't like the mixer. You want to mix it up really well so it's nice and creamy. There, it's nice and creamy. What I'm just noticing as I was mixing, it must have a graham cracker in the crust a little bit because there's little specks of graham cracker in it. Okay, then it says you want to take an 8-ounce container of whipped topping, which is right here. We're gonna use my Grammie's spoon. Finally found it. It's been lost for a few days. And we're just gonna mix this in, just like this. We're gonna put it in, then we're gonna mix it in. And then you wanna put it in a graham cracker pie plate. And again, I got this at the Dollar Tree, this little mixture. And I've had a few people ask me to make a video on it. So we're gonna mix this up really well. It says mix, but you want to, it says spoon mix and gently mix in the whipped topping. Well, we ain't gently mixing it in now, are we? We're just giving it a good stir. So I better gently mix it in. I'll kind of like fold it in. Yeah, kind of fold it in like that. Hope everybody's having a great day. It's supposed to get up to 57 today, but we're gonna have some rain showers and wind this afternoon. And then we've got some cold weather coming in the 30s. But that's typical Maine weather here. I mean, it can snow, it can rain, it can do most anything. Looks like this is blended in pretty well. Yeah, looks pretty good. I don't see any globs sticking at the bottom. So then we're gonna take this pie plate dish right here, graham cracker, and we're just gonna spoon it right in, just like this. It's hard to believe it's this quick to make, but we'll see if it's a go or a nay or a nah or a fail or an A+ or a D. We shall see. Just like this. And then it says you want to cover and refrigerate for a couple of hours, and that's what I will do. And then it says you want to put the topping on, and I will do that as well. Still got a lot here. Take that off, just like this. If you've made this before and used this mix, please let me know down in the description box. There. If all goes well, I think I am going to do a live on Friday, so I'm just letting you know now. I think I am. I'm not sure. And the time yet is undecided, depending on the weather and how Miss Maggie is. See if I can make some little cues here. I don't have them. Yeah, some little waves here. Let me look here for something. Oh, they got it pretty smooth. We'll make it smooth. We won't do no fancy stuff. We'll make it smooth just like this. So if any of you would like to join in with me and be on the panel for Friday, please leave in the comments below. And I'd love to have you up on panel. It's going to be an open topic. The only thing I do not like to discuss is religion and politics, because that can get into a big feud, and that's what my channel's not about. We don't want no drama mama or drama llama. We don't want none of that. Not on my channel. We just want some good, clean fun with some smiles and laughs and some good chat. Well, there you go, right there. So now I am going to put it in the refrigerator for 2 hours. I'll make sure on that. Yeah, 2 hours, cover and chill for at least 2 hours. So what I'm gonna do, I was gonna put some plastic wrap on it. I'm just gonna put that wrap back on like that. And we're just gonna stick it right in the fridge, and I'll bring you back. I don't know who's gonna taste test it, myself or Mr. R. Not sure yet, or maybe somebody will show up. Hi everybody, I've got the classic cheesecake all done, the mix. Here it is. You can see how wonderful it sat up. And I use this for a topping. Polander, sugar-free, seedless raspberry preserve, and it's right here. And somebody's going to test it.
I hope it'll be me.
Ray, can you say hi to everybody?
Hello. I hope it'll be me instead of Maggie, because Maggie's right here, but that's okay.
Ray's going to test it for us, and he's going to tell us how it is. Maggie, please get down. Maggie thinks she's got to be into everything.
Oh, yes. She's my little baby girl.
Yes, she is
Okay.
your baby girl.
This cheesecake, I know it's loaded with sugar. Well, I don't want to say loaded, but
It's not
that's
that
what I
bad.
say.
I already told her all the sugars as we went along.
That's what I say it's loaded, because it's a little bit more than what I should have, but I'm not going to have a lot of it. I'm going to have this one piece, and then we're going to freeze this up, And in another 3-4 days, I will have some more.
Yes, he
Okay.
bought some blueberries to put on.
Yeah.
And he also brought some strawberries. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this and I'm gonna cut it up into portions. And then
Maggie, it's okay.
when he wants some,
Okay.
I'll put it in the bullet and mix up the fruit for him. And Maggie just did a jump. Maggie, that girl.
Well, that's okay.
Gotta laugh at Maggie. Okay, Ray, a little bit
Here
more
we go.
taste here.
Here we go.
Poor Maggie gets it.
That tastes real good.
Now, the cheesecake part, what does that taste like?
Like a cheesecake.
Like a cheesecake. Okay.
She used a graham cracker crust, of course. I think she said that.
I
So,
did.
yes, it is. It's very good, and I will savor this right up until the last bite. I will eat it nice and slow, and I will really enjoy it because this is like a treat to me now. But very good.
Okay, so do you want to rate me, Ray, or no?
Oh, wow, I'd rate this wow. Like a 12, 13. I mean, this is
Are you
fantastic.
serious?
I mean,
Oh,
this
well,
is,
you better
I mean,
savor
it's-
every bite. You know why?
I just don't get stuff like this.
That's
so it's
right.
good.
And you've got two this week. You've got apple turnovers and
Yep.
you've got this.
Yep.
So, guys, please like, share, and subscribe.
Yep.
You never know what's going to be on our videos. Be safe. Be kind. And God bless. And we'll see you on the next video. Bye now.